because it's so tough to get out there during the afternoon hours. It's been so hot. We're almost done with it. That's the good news. We do have a little bit of thunderstorm activity happening. We're starting to see some more moisture in the atmosphere too. That's all due to that tropical storm. Live Mega Doppler 7000 HD picking up on some thunderstorms. One right now just over the Lancaster area, and then a little earlier over areas close to between about maybe a little bit cooler. It's all dependent upon the cloud coverage that we're going to see from Hurricane K, expected to weaken to a tropical storm today, and then she'll continue to weaken as she moves up the coast. She's going to start to veer out to the west, but we are still expecting to see plenty of impacts here from her. So we have flood watches. This is such a rare event too for Southern California. We have flood watches in place. We have high wind watches in place, so we can see some flash flooding for the mountain communities down into the deserts too. We're also expecting some strong winds. Those are expected to pick up as soon as tomorrow morning. Gusts up to about 55 miles per hour. Not good for the firefights down into the Inland Empire areas, but we have rain happening right behind it, so that is the good news. We're right now, as you're stepping out the door, it's pretty warm out there. A lot of upper 70s, weakening a bit, and it's pulling in some moisture around that, and also some of that moisture up from that tropical storm. So as we head into tomorrow, we're going to start to see some, and it kind of move out to the west, but it's going to be enough to bring us quite a bit of rainfall here if she stays on this track. Right now, the models have been pretty consistent over the past couple days, so there's decent confidence in this bringing quite a bit of rainfall here to us this weekend. Later this afternoon, thunderstorms could pick up for the eastern San Gabriel, so just a heads up there that we'll see a little bit of activity today. This is all going to pick up as we head into tomorrow. By tomorrow afternoon, shortly after lunchtime, we start to see some showers move into the Palm Springs area, the low desert, down into Temecula, San Diego County. Moderate at times, that's where we're seeing all the yellow there. And then those showers will start to move further north into other areas by tomorrow night. That's about 10 p.m. And then take a look at 6:30 Saturday morning. So Saturday morning, we're going to start to see some moderate to heavy rainfall at times, and it's going to be pretty widespread for most of us here. And then as we move into the afternoon hours, it's going to start to kind of wind down and become a little more scattered. With this tropical storm, going to bring some pretty big waves, some dangerous rip currents, and potential for thunderstorms there along the coast over the entire weekend. Finally, more calm weather next week, so that will be welcome as well. I'll send it back to you guys.
Can't wait for that. Brianna, thank you.